3, 2, 1, go.
Good afternoon. 3, 2, 1. Hi guys.
What's up?
Good afternoon.
It's 1 p.m. right now because we came home last night at 1 a.m.
Yes.
So this is our morning. Such
This
a
is
late
our
morning. We don't
Just
like
woke up. Yeah. Now the entire day.
Is
Hopefully
going
it
to
will be good, but it usually doesn't go well when we wake up late.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
today is going to be a fun day.
Yes.
Because first of all, it is summer outside and we bought new
Bikes.
bicycles. और हम जाने वाले हैं उधर कहीं तो
Canadian Tire.
I forgot कहाँ जाना है.
We are going to Canadian Tire.
We have a very nice day planned ahead of us.
Yes.
Let's see.
At least on paper it's planned.
Yeah. Let's see if we can actually follow that whole day. So
So फिर चले.
let's start. We are going to have a breakfast now and we'll see you after that.
Yeah. Right.
Wow, 3 hours later. No,
3
2 hours later. Now we are
Plan
going
में
to.
तो बहुत अलग
Plan
था.
बहुत change हो गया अभी. जो हमने बताया था वैसा नहीं है. But
लिस्ट
yes.
रखा था ना वहाँ पे.
नहीं.
अच्छा नहीं रखा.
But अरे
अच्छा मुझे क्या
post
पता.
editing की बात अभी कर रहे हैं. तो now जैसे हम साइकिल से कैनेडियन टायर जाने वाले थे अभी नहीं जा रहे. अब हम जा रहे हैं मस्टैंग से.
Yes.
अब
हमारा मित्र
हमारा
आ गया.
फ्रेंड आ चुका है. Anyways, we'll see you at Canadian Tire.
Canadian Tire के साथ हम और भी जगह जा रहे हैं.
और भी जगह जा रहे हैं. So you'll see everything
Yes.
in this vlog. So
Yes,
stay tuned and ठंडी भी लग रही है.
नहीं,
हवा
नहीं,
चल रही
मुझे
है.
तो नहीं था.
इससे नहीं लगती है ये इंसान.
ऐसे
इसमें-
था सर.
Anyways, without wasting time, let's go. It is the most beautiful day yet. It is so windy.
ये कहाँ भिंडी है?
मुझे लग रहा है तो मेरे पैर में ठंडी लग रही
सनी
है.
है. लोग देख पा
It
रहे
is
हैं.
sunny.
इतना सन आ रहा है.
It is sunny. I have to say, but हाँ windy भी है. और also भाई greens ये कितने महीनों से नहीं दिखे तो इसके लिए एक्साइटमेंट है मेरे लिए. मुझे तो बहुत एक्साइटमेंट होती है ग्रीन्स को देख के. वाओ कितना मस्त दिख रहा है सब कुछ. We are here. Look at them. क्या? Adarsh thinks these are French fries. क्या लगा तुमको? Wow, these bags are so cute. सब उसमें से अगर मुझे पता है ना सब जगह घूमना है तो मैं ये बैग करूँगी. Are so freaking cute. If only if I knew fishing I would buy this, but I have no idea how to fish. But
कुछ नहीं, बस पानी में डाल के वेट करना है. कोई ना कोई आके
कैसे
खाएगा.
करना है आदर्श बता फिशिंग.
पानी में डाल के वेट करना है. पानी मतलब कि अभी घर पे बाथटब में नहीं डाल सकती ऑब्वियसली.
Look, ये भाई ये कितने प्यारे फिशेस है. मतलब अगर मैं मछली हूँ तो मैं इसे देख के.
प्यारे नहीं है किसी को मारना है.
Hi. We are at Canadian Tire right now. हमको कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है. तो तुम
नहीं मिल रहा है.
हमको काफी
Overpriced
तू
चीज़
क्यों
है.
ऐसे बाहर जा रहा है.
मैं मुझे बता रहा हूँ.
हमको
ओवरप्राइस चीज़ें मैंने.
हाँ और हमने वही चीजें वॉलमार्ट में चेक की तो
Much
काफी
cheaper.
that yeah. So changes in plan. We are now going to go to Walmart. So let's go.
पता नहीं क्या हुआ.
देखो guys. Oh my God! You have to show. I cannot see what's happening.
पैंट फट गया है, कुछ नहीं हुआ भाई.
तो राइट टाइम अपन वॉलमार्ट में आ गए. नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर यू टू बाय अ न्यू पेयर ऑफ पैंट्स और उधर से पहन के ही निकलना है तुझे. सो डैमेज इज डन. Damage repaired and damage done. तो बात ऐसी है. There's not a lot of things to do inside the city. So as soon as we see something going on, we are like, you know what? Let's go here. And this is exactly what we did. We saw something going on in IKEA's parking lot called Springfest. And there we were. Which is really nice. I had the most delicious mind-blowing thing ever called a mango nada. If you ask me what mango nada is, it's mangoes, mango smoothie, lime, and chamoy something. Oh, completely forgot. This man is also part of my vlog. So, hey, please enjoy while he eats his mango nada too. Well.
ये हमारा इतना अनप्लान्ड डे था.
Yes.
चीजें कि हमने not planned थी.
Nothing.
और इतनी eventful हो
I
गई.
literally just recalled saying कि I just remembered कि यार ये event होने वाला है. And
हाँ.
we told रघु कि चलना चाहिए हमें. Which was probably our best idea क्योंकि हमने इतनी सारी चीजें देखी. And what is happening now?
Now
we are at
Mall,
outlet.
जो हम बोल के निकले थे.
Yes.
Starting
No,
में कि
we
हम
said
outlet जा रहे
Canadian
हैं.
time.
हाँ.
Anyways, I hope you're enjoying this vlog till
So
now.
far,
Like,
because
yeah.
we are enjoying our day
Yes, and
so much.
that is also like rare when we
Rare.
enjoy our days because there's not much going on in this city. But
Yes.
now summer is here, so uska matlab we have much more options than we would normally do
In winters.
in
Yes.
winters. So now it's time for us to go to outlet. I think this is probably the third time we are coming. No, second time we are coming to the outlet mall
In a week.
which
It's
is
not normal.
Not normal at all. So now let's go to the outlet mall.
To
Come
shop.
on.
Oh, your orange dress.
Okay, if I find that dress, we'll buy it. एक हमने orange dress देखा था. I saw an orange dress at outlet mall. I tried it on. It looked really pretty. I didn't buy it, thinking, you know what? No, I don't know where to wear it. This
Because
and
you're
that.
not going to Europe. That's what you said.
Yeah, I said yes. These were my exact words, saying that this dress feels like I should be in Italy, but I'm not even going to Italy. Whatever.
Anytime soon.
I showed that dress to a bunch of my friends, and they said this is the most beautiful dress, and you should have bought it. So now, since the last week, I haven't stopped thinking about that dress. So now it's time for us to see if I will be able to
Find it
that
again.
dress. Okay, let's go.
बोला उसका वीडियो लेना तो मैं वीडियो ले रहा हूँ अभी. क्या करना है तुझे?
Adarsh, you.
तेरा वीडियो ले रहा हूँ अभी. तुझे क्या करना है?
I'm gonna show them my outfit. Also, 1 second. Have I told you about my Revisac bags?
Oh yeah.
Look at the detailing of
What's
these bags.
special about them?
Special about these bags is they are embroidered by my grandpa in a tiny village in India. They are the best tote bags you've ever seen, and you need one. So you know what? Just check out my website, revisac.com.
That's
We'll
it.
also insert some pictures of the other designs that we have. You know what? It'll make your life easier. Oh, thanks Adarsh for reminding me. Link is in the description if you want to check out our bags. I do see something orange. I do see 2 pieces.
Hopefully it's your size.
It's not.
There's one more here.
I do see. It is extra small.
Let's go.
So it's coming home with us,
Yeah.
isn't it?
But you said it's a sign not to
Yeah,
buy
I did
this.
tell
This.
Adarsh on his way that it's a sign. Maybe the store is closing. We are getting so late. Maybe it's a sign that I shouldn't buy it. But I think
Now
it
it's a
was
sign to
just
buy
waiting
it.
for me. So you know what? This dress is coming home with me. Stay tuned to check out the video and see how it looks on me.
System reset हो गया guys. ये
I
पूछ
did
रही
the dumbest thing ever. The dress was $35 का. मैंने उनको बोला the total was $39. Of course taxes. मैंने बोला
Of course. What do you mean by of
मैंने
course?
बोला $35 का था. तो बोलता हाँ. मैंने बोला total 39. बोलता taxes. I'm like oh yeah. And he asked me, are you guys new? And I'm like no. We've been living in this country for over 3.5 years.
4 now.
4 now.
August में.
In August. So I don't know where my brain is at today. Oh yeah! Again. Can you do a dance for me? Please. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Well, what's up, Adarsh?
घर आ गए. Now it's time. जिस सुबह बात हुई थी उसकी कि we'll bike somewhere. But उसके पहले I have to change my bike seat.
The new bike seat that he got.
Yes.
And look at
Our bikes.
how they are sitting. Now it's time for Adarsh to take them out.
This is not trash, by the way.
This is not trash. What is it? Are some winter?
Jackets.
Yes. Also, I'm wearing new sweatpants. Do you need help, Bebe? Adarsh's bike coming out. Woohoo!